True, when I look at you, and maybe so if you would believe, you took my beat of a joy, of a love over you. Thank you so much. That was Stevie Wonder. Diba pag in love yung tao, di ba parang wow, I'm so overjoyed every time nakikita ko siya. Diba? Alam mo yun, diba? And, of course, dadating din siguro sa point na parang hindi nag-work yung relationship eh. So, somebody or someone, either of the two, pwedeng magpaalam, di ba? May mga nakaka-relate ba dito? I'm sure wala dahil single tayo lahat eh. Di ba? Siguro may mga iba dito na hindi nawala dito ngayon na parang nahihirapan talagang ayoko na sa relasyon na to eh. And that's why gusto kong i-share tong next artist sa inyo. Help me welcome on stage, Mr. James Ingram, to sing this song of Letting Go. You know what? It's hard to say goodbye. I know she breaks so easily, and not so long. But I knew no matter how much I comes over, she just knew the best she could. There are times the best is not undone, and no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Ouch. Another hand for Mr. James Ingram. Thank you so much. Sulit yung binayad nyo, ha? International artist. Anyway, so dadating tayo sa point na, okay, nilet go mo na siya, but then you will realize, yun yung pinakamaling ginawa mo. And now, he or she is gone. And that's why I like to share this next artist. Ito, alam ko kilala niyo to. Help me welcome on stage, the king of pop himself, Mr. Michael Jackson. Out of my life. She's out of my life. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I don't know whether to live or die. Lamig dito. And it cuts like a knife. She's out of my eyes. And then at the end of the day, babalik tayo kay God, sabihin natin, God, why? Sabi ni God, ito kasi, hindi ka nakikinig. Anyway, ang maganda kay God, napaka-gentle niyang Diyos eh. Di ba? Pwedeng sabihin, napaka-gentle niyang tao. Anyway, so, every time we fall, every time we feel that we are weak or defeated, we can always run to our God. Diba? Pag nababroken hearted tayo, God, ikaw lang. And that's why I like to share this last artist, our very own, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano! Kaya ako yun. You know, this song is for you. Lately, I've been better and right. But even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I never face retreat, but they don't see the enemies maybe at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword, look up for his fire, 'cause deep inside this world, the warrior is the child. So dyan mo nagtatapos ang aking set. Salamat po. Joke lang, joke lang. I'd like to move on with some of